Getting a Brazilian wax. You may already be doing something wrong, without knowing it. These 10 overlooked mistakes can make your wax more painful, or less effective. Most people only find out after it's too late. Stick around and protect your skin before the damage is done. This is your faceless guide to what not to do before a Brazilian wax. Based on real estheticians' advice, not internet myths. Whether it's your first wax or your 50th, you'll learn something here. Let's get straight into it. Crossmark mistake 1. Waxing too soon after shaving. Hair needs to be long enough for wax to grip, about 1/4 inch. Shaving right before ruins that and leads to patchy results. Crossmark mistake 2. Using retinoids or exfoliating acids. Products like retinol, AHA, and BHA thin your skin. Combine that with wax, and you risk peeling or chemical-like burns. Stop using them 2 days before your appointment. Crossmark mistake 3. Booking during your period. Your skin is more sensitive due to hormonal changes. Even a normal wax might feel 10 times more painful. Aim for a time when your body feels relaxed and stable. Crossmark mistake 4. Drinking caffeine or alcohol beforehand. These stimulants increase blood flow to the skin, making you more reactive. That means more redness, more stinging, and longer recovery. Crossmark mistake 5. Skipping hydration, but not the wrong kind. Hydrate from the inside, not the outside. Drink water, but avoid lotions or oils on the day of your wax. Moistured skin repels wax, dry skin holds it. Crossmark mistake 6. Wearing tight clothes to your appointment. Post-wax, your skin will be extra sensitive. Tight pants or underwear can cause friction, sweat, and breakouts. Loose cotton is your best friend. Crossmark mistake 7. Over-exfoliating the day before. Gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 days before is fine. But doing it right before your wax? That's too harsh. You're just asking for inflamed skin. Crossmark mistake 8. Ignoring the patch test. New to waxing? Ask for a patch test. It takes 2 minutes and could prevent a major reaction. Better safe than sorry. Crossmark mistake 9. Forgetting to mention medications. Certain medications, like Accutane, thin the skin or delay healing. Your esthetician needs to know to wax you safely. Never assume it's not important. Crossmark mistake 10. Arriving anxious and rushed. Stress makes pain worse. So does showing up late or unprepared. Breathe, arrive early, and know that your waxer has seen it all before. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever 30 minutes before if you're sensitive. Avoid heavy workouts for 24 hours post-wax, sweat irritates open follicles. Treat your wax like skincare, not just hair removal. Want smooth results without the regret? Avoid these 10 mistakes, and your Brazilian wax will thank you. Like, subscribe, and come back for more smart beauty tips, all faceless, all real. Have a waxing question? Drop it in the comments below, we're here to help.